हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम एक सीरीज शुरू कर रहे हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड स्टैटिस्टिक्स फॉर बीटेक। स्टैटिस्टिक्स अपने आप में एक पूरा सब्जेक्ट है, यूजी पीजी रिसर्च, बट certain topics are useful for BTech and mostly in most of universities, in most of BTech courses programs, it started with fundamental of statistics and go up to the higher level, and within a semester it is tough to understand from zero to higher level. So it will be our attempt to give a overview, to provide a view for a very basic student and from the zero level of statistics. For example, what is statistics? So statistics is the science which deals with the method of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing, and interpreting the numerical data. And this data may be collected from any type of problem or from anywhere in this world, from anywhere in this universe. So you can say statistics is as old as the human society or as old as the development of civilization. So what is the further requirement? The basic word is variable or variate, and variable is defined as a quantity which can vary from one individual to another, and this variable or variate can be anything like height, weight, age, salary, rainfall, temperature. Statistics of weather means data of weather, whether it is hot or cold. Result of students, whether a student is pass or fail. So variable means a thing which is varying from one value to another. So there are two type of variables. First is continuous and second is discrete. What do we mean by continuous variable? The quantities which can take any numerical value. That is, for example, height of a child. Height of a child can be have any value with least count of your measuring scale. So height is a continuous variable. Discrete variable, the quantities which are incapable to taking all possible values, that is called a discrete variable. That is, if a family having some children, then the number of children, it will be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. You can't have the children between 1 and 2. So this is called discrete variable. Then comparison of frequency distribution. What do we mean by comparison of this frequency distribution? When two or more different series of the same type are compared, tabulation of observation is not sufficient. यानी अगर एक ही डाटा की दो या दो से ज़्यादा सीरीज हैं तो फिर उसको केवल टेबुलेशन करके हम स्टडी नहीं कर सकते. तो ऐसे में इट इज़ डिज़ायरेबल to quantify the characteristic of frequency distributions, and there are two types of characteristic. First, they may differ in measure of location or central tendency, and second, they may differ in exact to which observation are scattered about the central value. The first one is called measure of central tendency and the second one is called measure of dispersion. Usually, in fact not usually, but in statistics, measure of central tendency and measure of dispersion both are the types of frequency distributions and comparison of frequency distributions. But in BTech, most of time we are dealing with only measure of central tendency. So now what is the measure of central tendency? A figure which is used in the representation of whole series, and this should be neither in the lowest range and nor in the highest range, but in between and possibly at the center, so that you can say a central figure, a middle figure which can represent whole data. Professor Bowley gave a definition: averages are statistical constants which are enables us to compare a single effort in a single effort the significance of whole. That means if we can represent the whole data by a single value, by a single digit, then this is called average. And there are 5 type of averages usually are in the fashion in the market. First is arithmetic average or mean, second is median, third is mode, fourth is geometric mean, and fifth is harmonic mean. So what is the purpose of this video? Basically, every student starts from mean, mode, median, and you say that this is the basic of statistics. Not. Basically, the basics of statistics is how we are representing the data and how we are analyzing the data, how we are calculating the data. And these are the calculative methods, or you can say whatsoever we will study in future. So arithmetic mean is a tool. Mode, median is a tool by which we are representing the central value of data. Rest things we will be discuss in our next videos. Thank you very much.